Alrighty, guys. So it's been a couple of days since our last AMC stock update, and I figured why not? It's Friday. We have 30 minutes left in the day. Let me make another update here, break down how the stock's doing, the charts, key levels, where I'm looking to buy. And mind you, guys, it's currently up around 5%, doing pretty well. So jam-packed video today. If y'all find value, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 30,000 subs. Make sure to follow me on Twitter as well, or X, whatever the heck you want to call it, at StasserFest on Instagram, TikTok. All of those are linked down below. And of course, don't forget to get your free money from Moomoo, the sponsor of today's video. Link down below as well. We'll talk more about that later, guys. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So we're about halfway through Power Hour right now when things get pretty crazy, especially on a Friday. And we have AMC stock doing pretty well, up around 25 cents, or I guess exactly 25 cents, up around 5%. Now back over $5 per share. Not bad. And you guys can see it's pretty much been uptrending all day. I mean, yeah, it has been. You can see we opened up at around 490 roughly, and we ran right out of the gate, and it's been uptrending, like I said, ever since that point. So let me actually see, from 490 up to about 523, we have rallied intraday here 6.5%, so even more than the 5% that it's up right now from the closing price yesterday. So AMC is looking great, guys. We're breaking above the highs from yesterday, which, mind you, yesterday we also ran right out of the gate. We opened at $4.95, ran all the way to about $5.10, then we pulled back and consolidated. And the fact that, you know, we actually rallied off the spot that we consolidated all day at yesterday, we rallied off that point this morning. That's a really good sign for the bulls, right? We held $4.95, and now boom, we're starting to take off again. Like I said, taking out the highs from yesterday. That's really good in my opinion. And now we're also taking out the highs from the day before yesterday, being about 515-ish, right? And now we're starting to test the highs from, it looks like that was on Monday, right? Or Tuesday, whatever day that was. Yeah, Tuesday we hit 550 in the morning, and more towards about 11 a.m. we hit about 525. That's where we're at right now, guys. Let me actually draw this trend line out to show you what I'm talking about, guys. Give me a second. Let me draw this out and show you right at 530, let's say. That's a big spot, 525, 530. That also happens to be the high from the 7th, which was on Monday. So if AMC can somehow break through that point, maybe not today, we only have 30 minutes left, but maybe at some point next week. From there, if it breaks, we could start moving towards 550, which again, that was the high from Tuesday, which could mean, you know, even more upside from here. Than if that were to break. If we were to break 550, guys, of course, you all remember AMC was at $8 not too long ago. That's where we could be pushing yet again. Let me show you guys this 10-day chart. We can see, actually, no, maybe not on the 10-day chart, but on the, let's say, the 4-hour chart, we can see here, now we're starting to bounce off of the 50 SMA with today's move. We're above the 180 SMA, which is great. And really, the only big resistance between us right now and AMC making a big move, maybe not straight to $8, but let's say to 657, 750, the next main resistance really is 550, guys, which if that were to break, man, we could have a lot more upside from here, right, towards $6, $6.20, you know, maybe even higher from that point, right? So AMC looks solid right now, guys, no doubt about it. Doing pretty well right now, and mind you, the entire market is all over the place. All the indexes are all over the place. We have the S&P at break even, the Dow's up 0.3, that's great. Russell's up 0.2, but we have the NASDAQ down 0.5%. So yeah, pretty interesting. And one more point here on AMC, the fact that we are holding this uptrend right here, guys, you can see higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. The fact that we're holding these these higher lows right now, the uptrend, and we're now breaking back over the 50 SMA, that's a good sign for the bulls as well. And before I forget, I'm going to set my alert at 550. Let me do that now. Mark is at or above 550, and we'll see where it goes from that point. Again, if it does break that, six or more, that's where it could be going. What do you guys think about AMC? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. And I'm looking at this more as a momentum trade. Personally, I'm not in it right now, but if it does break that $556 mark, that's where I feel like momentum could pick up. And I'm considering maybe nibbling a little bit here before the breakout, potentially. I haven't done it yet. I'll probably wait until next week. I don't like doing anything crazy, especially 30 minutes left in Power Hour on a Friday, guys. I mean, come on. I'm not looking to lose my mind over the weekend. But if Monday comes around, we're hovering around 550, we start breaking, hey, maybe AMC is going to be one of those that could explode next week. And, well, it could be one of those momentum trades, like I said. So, AMC, what are your thoughts? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And, by the way, we're almost at 30,000 subs, guys. 70% of you are not subscribed. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. What the heck are you waiting for? I appreciate you all, as always. And before we wrap up the video, we have about 25 minutes left of trading today. Let's take a look at some other names here that are doing pretty well. Bed Bath & Beyond, which I haven't covered here probably in close to 2 weeks, is up about 8%. What the heck's going on here, guys? BBBYQ is up 8%, up around 2 cents on the day so far, and that doesn't really change the fact that it's in a downtrend. I mean, we're still in a downtrend on this time frame, especially if I zoom in, we can see since really the middle of July where it hit 40 cents. Since that point, it's been downtrending. So this doesn't change it, the fact that we're up 8%. But it is nice, I guess, for the people that bought earlier today. But we're still in a downtrend on BBBYQ. You guys can see that right here. Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Keep that in mind. We're not reversing to the upside quite yet. Let's see what else is doing pretty well today. It looks like DraftKings DKNG is also up on the day. Let me pull it up and see. It looks like it's up 5.6%. All right, not bad. It looks like we are starting to see some buying right at that 180 SMA, which I believe I covered this stock a couple of days ago, and I talked about that spot, considering it's worth watching, considering that's been support for months and we've pulled back a substantial amount, and we're testing that spot. So let's see if DKNG, well, it looks like buyers are already coming in, but let's see if that momentum continues into next week. It looks pretty good, guys. I'm not in it right now, full disclosure, but I wouldn't be surprised if I was in it at some point next week, of course, based on the price action. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. Feel free to check out my Patreon if you guys want to see me build my private portfolio, which I started doing a couple of months ago. There's spots available right now on the Patreon. Check it out. Link down below. There's a bunch of stuff on the Patreon, so check it out. Join it. You won't regret it. And don't forget to get up to 16 stocks for Moomoo, guys. What are you waiting for? It's literally free money. Once you use that link and open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks right off the bat, and fund it with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks each, up to $2,000, by the way. And fund your account with at least $5,000 on top of those 15 stocks. You also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Expedia stock, which makes this promo a no-brainer. So get on it, guys. Use that link down below. Get your free stocks from Moomoo. Check out my Patreon. I appreciate you all as always. And with that being said, cheers. I'll see you in the next one.